How to fix Dymo label maker not printing. Check the batteries or the power. Low power is one of the most common reasons a Dymo label maker stops printing. So try replacing the old batteries using fresh AA batteries and check your power adapter connection. Now once you're done there, you could simply check the label cassette by opening the compartment and making sure the label cassette is installed correctly. So ensure that the tape is aligned properly and the cassette actually clicks into place. Now once that's done, go ahead and clean the print head by dusting and removing any adhesive buildup which would block printing from this point of the Dymo label maker. Alright, and then once you're done here, simply check for any tape jams. So remove any stuck or wrinkled tape inside the machine. And then once you're done, simply reset the label maker by turning the device off and removing the batteries for a quick 1 minute and then power it back on and then simply run a print test to make sure everything works. Alright,